Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to disable auto-translate for languages on LinkedIn. If you're tired of LinkedIn automatically translating posts into a language you don't prefer, this tutorial will help you regain control over your content experience. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the Me icon at the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile and account menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Within this section, navigate to Account Preferences. Here, you'll find various options to customize your LinkedIn experience. Now, look for the Content Language option and tap on it. This is where you can manage which languages LinkedIn translates or doesn't translate for you. To make changes, tap on Add Language. A list of languages will appear. Choose the ones you understand or don't want LinkedIn to auto-translate for you. For example, if you don't want posts in English or French translated, simply select these languages from the list. Once you've selected your desired languages, tap Save Changes to confirm your preferences. From now on, LinkedIn will no longer auto-translate content in the languages you've specified. And that's it. You've successfully disabled auto-translate for specific languages on LinkedIn. This simple adjustment ensures that you see posts in their original language without unnecessary translations. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might need assistance with their LinkedIn settings. See you in the next video. See you in the